This is a Mite 2 shredder screener. It's capable of probably working the best with a skid loader, which is approximately a 1-yard bucket you'd be loading with. This has the grizzly bars, which allows the larger material, tree root, to be falling off prior to getting into the conveyor. As the material then falls through here, it comes down into this area here, which is a shredder mechanism that takes the larger clumps of dirt and material and breaks it up into smaller pieces prior to getting up into the trommel. At that point, the material continues up the belt and drops into the trommel for actually sizing it into smaller usable material. The trommel has various different size screens you can put onto it. This currently has a 3/4 inch screen, is most popular. Some people prefer to have 3/8 size screen if you're going to say size mulch and get the fines out of the mulch prior to dyeing, or just because you don't want to be wasting that type of material. And then finally it goes out, the overs go off the very last conveyor chute at the end. In conjunction with this, generally we run it's almost a must. You have to have the conveyor to take all your fine material away from this area here. Otherwise you have two types of materials that are stacking together, and it's difficult to move it away individually, getting the fines away from the overs. These grizzly bars, as we started to talk about, it dumps the material over. On the back side there's a thumb piece sticking off that you can grab with your skid loader and flip it off to dump the grizzlies so that the material will fall off without having to scrape it down. This thing is powered by a 26 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine. It's pretty fuel efficient. I think it will run for about 20 hours before you'll have to refuel. The hydraulics for the conveyor are powered off the back of the Mite 2, so you don't have to have a second power source when you're making them compatible and putting the two of them together. It's very easy to transport. The tongue hitch for your truck, you probably only need like an F-250 or small 3/4 ton truck to pull this. The tongue weight is like 900 pounds, so it's very transportable. The width of it is 6 feet wide, so it's very narrow. You don't have to worry about any kind of width problem when you're on the highway either. It is equipped with brake lights and turn signals, which makes it legal for transporting in daylight hours. Most uses for this is mostly for sizing topsoil or mulch is most popular, and it makes it very easy to take it to the job site or to use it on your spoils pile in your yard without having a big expense for doing that.